Hi everyone, my name is Keith, a machine expert with USACLEAN for 12 years, and this is the BR-2000, and this is the Tennant 2370 corded electric burnishers. In this video series, I'm going to show you some general maintenance that you can do yourself to keep your machines running at peak performance, and it's going to help minimize the cost and need of sending a service tech. Okay, so we have a worn or damaged dust skirt, and we got to replace it. Very easy. Right up here is a clamp that is holding your skirt onto the machine. You want to take a flathead screwdriver, and you want to loosen the clamp up. Like that. Now what we can do is remove the dust skirt and clamp at the same time. Just like that. So now take your new dust skirt, just like this. Now if your strap and your clamp are in good shape, go ahead and reuse those. If not, then you're gonna have to order the strap and the clamp separate as well. Now just take your skirt and wrap it around the machine again. Now all we have to do is tighten back down the clamp. Just like that, and you're done. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in today's video, be sure to click the link in the description below or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now if you like what you watch, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for future videos. Stay safe and thanks for watching.